Hey there, Genius Junkie family. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on our awesome design tips. Today, we're going to explore how you can create simple augmented reality, or AR, designs using Canva. Don't worry, it's super easy and perfect for beginners. What is AR? First off, what's AR? It's a way to blend the digital world with the real world, like those cool Instagram filters that add effects to your photos or videos. Start designing in Canva. Let's jump into Canva. Pick a design format, maybe a social media post or a video. Canva has tons of templates, so choose one or start from scratch. Add interactive elements. Now, start adding images, text, or shapes to your design. You can animate these elements with Canva's animation tools to make them look interactive. You can even use GIFs or 3D images from Canva's library to make your design pop. Save and export. Once you're happy with your design, save it as a GIF or MP4. These formats work great for sharing on social media or using in AR apps. Finally, you can use apps like Zappar or Artiviv to turn your Canva design into an AR experience. Just upload your design and follow the app steps to bring it to life. And that's it. Easy, right? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative designs. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and keep creating with Genius Junkie.